Welcome back to our channel.
For years, the Mazda CX-5 has been the go-to choice for anyone who wants a compact SUV that's actually enjoyable to drive. But with this stunning all-new 2026 model, Mazda is making its boldest claim yet, that this is its ultimate compact SUV. Today, we're going to break down the new design, the tech, and what it's like to drive to see if it's truly the new king, or if that promise comes up a little short. The design. Mazda's Kodo design philosophy has really matured here, and this new CX-5 looks like it belongs in a higher class. It's longer, wider, and has a much bolder presence, borrowing some of the best looks from its bigger, more expensive siblings, the CX-70 and CX-90. The wheelbase has been stretched by a significant 4.5 inches, and the entire vehicle is longer as a result. That extra size isn't just for show. It gives the CX-5 a more athletic, planted stance. The front grille is wider and more assertive, flanked by sharp, slim LED headlamps that are now standard. And around back, the clean horizontal taillights and the new Mazda script spelled out across the tailgate give it a surprisingly premium, almost Lexus-like vibe. It's a design that feels less like a mainstream crossover and more like a luxury vehicle, which is exactly what Mazda is going for. The old CX-5 had a nice interior, but this new one is exceptional. The cabin has been completely redesigned with high-quality soft-touch materials and a clean, driver-focused layout. Rear seat passengers enjoy significantly more legroom, knee space, and headroom. Plus, the rear doors open wider, which is a small but brilliant detail that parents wrestling with car seats will absolutely appreciate. Mazda has cleaned up the dashboard by integrating many controls into its largest touchscreen ever. A 12.9-inch screen is reportedly standard on lower trims, but the real showstopper is the available 15.6-inch display. It runs on a Google built-in system, which means Google Maps and Google Assistant are natively integrated. The system is fast, intuitive, and finally gets rid of the controversial control knob, a move many people are going to celebrate. Combined with an available panoramic sunroof and ambient lighting, the cabin feels airy, modern, and genuinely upscale.
Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Now let's get back to the topic.
The 2026 CX-5 comes with one powertrain, a revised version of the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, making 187 horsepower. It's paired with a refined 6-speed automatic transmission and standard I-Active all-wheel drive on every model. Now, 187 horsepower might not sound ultimate, and to be fair, this isn't a rocket ship. The focus here is on balance, precision, and smoothness. Mazda has retuned the engine and transmission for a sharper response, and its G-Vectoring Control Plus system helps the SUV feel sharp and confident in corners. All new, Mazda-developed hybrid powertrain is set to arrive for the 2027 model year. That hybrid is designed to deliver better performance and fuel economy. An ultimate SUV has to do more than just look good and drive well. It has to be practical. And here, the new CX-5 finally delivers in a big way. That longer body translates directly into a larger cargo area that's both longer and taller than before. Mazda even reduced the lift-over height, making it easier to load heavy items. With some of the best rear passenger space in its class and a more usable cargo hold, the CX-5 has finally addressed the biggest complaints about its predecessor. So, back to our big question. Is the 2026 Mazda CX-5 the ultimate compact SUV? Here's the verdict. It is, without a doubt, Mazda's ultimate compact SUV. They've created a vehicle that feels more premium, more spacious, and more technologically advanced than any CX-5 that came before it. The design is a masterpiece, and the interior is a genuine class leader. However, the base engine, while smooth, lacks the outright power some buyers crave, and the much-anticipated hybrid is still a year away. It's a phenomenal vehicle that brilliantly blends style, comfort, and driving pleasure. But whether it can be the overall ultimate SUV in this hyper-competitive class will really depend on how good that new hybrid powertrain is when it arrives. For now, it's a stunning evolution that comes tantalizingly close to earning the crown.
Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.